How to create a sensory inclusive environment for neurodiverse individuals. Creating a sensory inclusive environment is essential for accommodating the diverse sensory needs of individuals with neurodiversity, such as autism spectrum disorder, ASD, attention deficit hyperactivity disorder, ADHD, sensory processing disorder, SPD, and other sensory sensitivities. Here are some strategies to create a sensory inclusive environment. Understand sensory sensitivities. Educate yourself and others about the sensory sensitivities commonly experienced by neurodiverse individuals. Sensory sensitivities can include sensitivity to light, sound, touch, taste, and smell, as well as difficulty with sensory integration and modulation. Provide sensory-friendly spaces. Designate quiet, calm, and sensory-friendly spaces within your environment where individuals can retreat to if they become overwhelmed or overstimulated. These spaces should be free from bright lights, loud noises, and other sensory triggers. Offer sensory tools and resources. Provide sensory tools and resources to support individuals in regulating their sensory experiences. This may include items such as noise-cancelling headphones, weighted blankets, fidget toys, sensory bins, or calming sensory bottles. Use visual supports. Use visual supports such as visual schedules, social stories, and visual timers to provide structure, predictability, and clarity for neurodiverse individuals. Visual supports can help reduce anxiety and support understanding of expectations and routines. Create predictable routines. Establish predictable routines and schedules to help neurodiverse individuals feel secure and confident in their environment. Consistent routines provide a sense of stability and reduce uncertainty, which can be comforting for individuals with sensory sensitivities. Offer choice and autonomy. Empower neurodiverse individuals by offering choice and autonomy in their environment. Allow individuals to choose their preferred seating, activities, or sensory tools, and respect their preferences and boundaries. Consider sensory-friendly design. Design your environment with sensory considerations in mind, such as using soft, non-glare lighting, calming color schemes, and acoustically treated spaces to reduce auditory distractions and echoes. Provide sensory-friendly activities. Offer a variety of sensory-friendly activities and experiences that cater to different sensory preferences and interests. This may include art activities, sensory play, nature walks, or mindfulness exercises. Train staff and volunteers. Provide training and education for staff and volunteers on how to support individuals with sensory sensitivities effectively. Teach strategies for recognizing signs of sensory overload, providing sensory accommodations, and fostering a sensory inclusive environment. Practice sensory awareness and acceptance. Foster a culture of sensory awareness, acceptance, and empathy within your environment. Encourage open communication, understanding, and acceptance of individual differences in sensory processing and preferences. Seek feedback and collaboration. Seek feedback from neurodiverse individuals and their families to better understand their sensory needs and preferences. Collaborate with individuals with lived experience and sensory experts to continually improve and refine your sensory inclusive practices. Promote sensory-friendly events and initiatives. Host sensory-friendly events, programs, and initiatives that cater specifically to the sensory needs of neurodiverse individuals. Create inclusive environments where everyone feels welcome, valued, and supported. By implementing these strategies, you can create a sensory inclusive environment that supports the diverse sensory needs of neurodiverse individuals and promotes a sense of belonging, acceptance, and well-being for all.